You want to make money? You want to crush the stonk game? Well, I'm Kent Tilley and I can teach you how to crush this game and dominate the market any day, anytime. Listen to my stock tips. You can sign up for my newsletter if you want after you watch this video, but this is going to teach you how to blow everybody out of the water. Really simple. Follow these rules. You'll crush it. Rule 1. Always buy high and sell low. Rule 2. Always have your eggs in one basket. Makes sense. Put them all in. Make more money. Boom. Rule 3. Always invest in things you don't understand. It makes more sense. It'll blow up if you don't get it because other people don't get it. That's why it makes money. Rule 4. If everyone's doing it, it means it cannot lose. That means it will just keep going up to the moon. Rockets. Rule 5. If people are greedy, be greedier. Borrow if you have to. Get greedy. You want that boat? Earn it. Rule 6. Never fold your hand. Don't let them see weakness, because if you fold, you lose. You can't lose if you don't fold. Rule 7. If you don't have at least 90% of your money in crypto, you just don't get the future. Rule 8. Rational investors are losers that don't understand the stonk game. Rule 8. Diversified portfolios are for idiots that don't understand that dog coin is the future, bro. Rule 9. If you can't double your money within a week, it's not worth anybody's time. Don't waste your time on that shit. Rule 10. Warren Buffett doesn't know shit. And lastly, why are you focusing on value, fundamentals, understanding, earning statements? Focus on what matters. The big picture. What is the world gonna look like? And you know it. And when you know it, you're gonna make money. I don't know why you'd want to sign up for my newsletter after I gave away the farm, but basically follow these rules and you will be richer than everybody you know. You'll make too much money. What are you gonna do with it? Invest in more dog coin.